once you get some points or data into your Business Center project, you can list the points a couple different ways. If you go to the Project Explorer, you can see that I have all the points listed here. But if I go to the Home tab under Data, there's a point spreadsheet that I can click on. So when I click on that, it's actually going to show me all the points in a spreadsheet format. Now I can minimize this or shrink it so that I can see my plan view. And if I start to pick on some points, like if I select point 1, you can see it highlights in the plan view. If I was to click on point, let's say 250 or even 270, you can see when I highlight it, it actually picks it up here. Now if I pick it from the plan view, you'll see that it highlights in my spreadsheet view. So you can look at the information. You can come over here to the feature code, as well as look at the feature code editor. And if you were to double click on a point, it would actually open up the properties dialog box, so you can manipulate or edit those points as needed, or any of the properties of the points if you needed to.